Many difficult processes that align behind the industrial production require heating or cooling off different mediums or remain the temperature with a pinpoint accuracy. Thermal control may need mediums like usual water or vapor, as well as oil, petroleum, viscous mediums, mediums like sugar syrup or maltose, with inclusion of solids. Oil refiners are the most important consumers of the heat exchange equipment today. Liquid and gas heating equipment is an important link in the technological chain of oil companies. That complex kind of equipment is exactly what LLC Borisoglebsk Manufacturing, further referred to us as Borisoglebsk, does. Borisoglebsk was founded in 1991 on the ground of mechanical repair factory. From the very beginning, the company has relied on an industrial experience of its predecessor factory. Over the many decades, Borisoglebsk managed to create a powerful material and technical base which allows the plant to work in the segment of industry today in a stable and efficient manner. Manufacturing facilities include modern press, forging, welding, lifting equipment, and metal cutting tools. The territory of enterprise occupies 4,000 square meters. The production area is 5.5 thousand square meters, including a fabrication shop with a total area of more than 1,300 square meters, 2,600 square meters of machine shop, 700 square meters of painting and harvest area, 720 square meters of storage, and 550 square meters of office buildings. Due to the increasing competition in the market of heat exchange equipment, Borisoglebsk continuously improves its work, renovates its capacities, buys modern technologies, builds new facilities, and operates according to the international quality management standards.
Manufacturing of the oil and gas industry equipment today is the most favorable from all the industry branches. Our long-term plan for expansion includes job sites enlargement, reconstruction of an existing production space, and construction of a new 12,000 square foot production area. Currently, Borisoglebsk is going through certification and getting the license, which will enable us to produce equipment for nuclear sector. We proudly create more and more jobs for local professionals and are able to support local economy.
Borisoglebsk cooperates with leading designing and research and development Moscow, Petersburg, and Podolsk institutes. In 2004, all main specialists of our factory went through the government City Technical Control certification to prove their knowledge of manufacturing industry regulations and the safe operations of vessels working under the pressure. Fierce competition dictates the necessity of mastering the more complex weld procedures. On Borisoglebsk factory, we widely use alloy martensite class steel with 4-10 chrome content welding. Such a welding needs concurrent heating after baking, titanium alloys or titanium welding, stainless steel, flat carbon steel welding. We do thermal treatments of welding of nickel alloys, copper, duplex steels, high chromium steels of martensite ferrite classes. Our factory, equipped with automated ESAB welding centers for under-the-flux welding and with equipment for mechanized welding of well-known brands such as EWM, Lincoln, and Kempe. In our work, we also used only high-quality welding consumables of ESAB, Buffler Welding, and Oerlikon brands. Highly skilled Borisoglebsk welders, certified according to the Russian technical and government nuclear energy control rules and standards. Quality department maintains the inspections during all the stages of manufacturing. Factory labs have all the necessary equipment for weld non-destructive quality control. Our lab staff did the special visual verifications trainings. The absolute advantage of the company is our unique staff. All engineers involved in designing, manufacturing, and quality control are certified and have many years of experience in the production of the working under the pressure vessels. Everything in the complex, including trainings of our specialists, continuous cooperation with research institutes, the usage of equipment from leading manufacturers, allows Borisoglebsk not only continuously improve production, but also guarantee the high quality of every equipment piece in the current production line. Borisoglebsk equipment can execute the complex technological processes such as cooling of sulfuric acid of choline after absorbance, the processes associated with the pure substances, synthetic fibers, molecular alcohols, aldehydes, and so forth. Borisoglebsk equipment designs allow implementation of heat exchange processes between very aggressive, contaminated, and clean mediums without mixing. The examples of usage of Borisoglebsk heat exchangers in the oil industry are heating of cooling crude oil and produced water heating for subsequent use. The very particular requirements are applied to the thermoresistant equipment in the oil industry. Borisoglebsk heat exchangers are meeting the highest standards of corrosion resistance quality. They're able to stand highest pressures and temperatures. They're extremely compact and adapted to regular light mechanical and chemical cleaning of heat transfer surfaces. The company's equipment is widely used in chemical industry because technical characteristics of our products are comparable with a huge variety of chemical products. Borisoglebsk exports its products to the number of CIS countries like Belarus, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and has contacts with many international representatives in Russia. The indisputable advantage of Borisoglebsk is its geographical location in the heart of the Central Federal District of Voronezh region. The fact that Borisoglebsk is so close to all major traffic arteries of the Central Federal District makes its products not only at most accessible to the customers, but also significantly reduces their delivery time and transportation costs. Borisoglebsk is a trustworthy and reliable business partner, as you'll find out for yourself when you start working with us. Our experts are closely working with the clients during all production stages, starting from the product design but not ending with the product implementation. Every Borisoglebsk piece of equipment is backed by top-notch technical expertise. This helps us to make sure that our products run efficiently and perform well. It also means you're assured of technical guidance throughout the process of evaluating, selecting, and installing the right equipment. Our experts can help you define your needs, determine specifications, and answer all your questions. They will provide precise technical drawings, mechanical details, and quality warranties. In short, we'll work with you every step of the way to make sure you get the exact solution you need. Designs and technical documentations are developed by our specialists in accordance with customer specifications, industry standards, and technical requirements for a particular product.
Borisoglebsk from the very beginning closely worked with our company. We started by ordering basic optional equipment like inspection lights and so on and so forth. Nowadays our company is using exclusively Borisoglebsk heat exchangers and container equipment. I have to give Borisoglebsk credit because the quality of their products always exceeds the quality of products of other chemical companies. Due to the highly qualified personnel and the well-equipped technological facilities, Borisoglebsk has the ability to produce equipment that is on the one hand comply with Russian and international standards, and on the other hand is a unique product. In collaboration with leading Russian institutes, company is able to execute the custom-designed orders of any complexity, develop, produce, and adapt equipment made to the specific customer requests. Each of our customers is significant and important to us. A long-term partnership with Russian leading oil and gas companies is just confirming this fact. World consumes a lot of gas and oil. This creates a stable demand for Russian energy resources on the market, and hence the domestic manufacturing of oil and gas equipment in the near future will only increase the pace of its development.
This favorable market allows the company to look to the future, directing all its efforts to the quality improvement. Perhaps you're looking for a basic shell and tube heat exchanger, or maybe your application requires something more complex, like a sophisticated, precision-engineered unit. Whether you're looking for air coolers, heat exchangers with floating head, or U-tubes, welded wiper units, or their arrangements, Bormash has whatever it makes to meet your application requirements. Request a quote today for a customized heat exchanger, air cooler, or container equipment by calling us at 473-763-2324 or simply emailing us at bmasch@mail.ru.